Thank you, Joseph. Yes, it's Lawrence, the one using the Innovation admin. So we'll create an ad creative in less than, can I say like 3 minutes? No, I think with now AI, it's quite easy to come up with creatives and I mean like ad creatives, social media posts, and all that has become very easy. I remember a while back, I used to take so long to come up with an ad creative because I mean it's you're conflicting with your mind, like, is this really good? Will people click on this ad? And all that, and you end up spending a lot of time before you settle with what you think is the best. But now with AI, it's quite easy. It's just a prompt, and yeah, you're good. So I won't use any design tool. I won't use Canva. I won't use Adobe and all those tools for design. I'll just have a basic prompt, and yeah, I think I'll be good to go. So for this specific industry, I think I can first share my screen. Yeah, so again, I won't use ChatGPT. I won't use Gemini. I think those are the tools now. Most of you, if you are a social media manager, marketer, you should now do away with. So I'll just come here to Innovation.ai and just log in my account. Because I have an account, I'll just log in with my email, and I'll be good to go. If you don't have an account, it's just the same. You just sign up, and yeah, you'll find good things here inside. So we'll just use these agents specifically for the ad images. Again, so many people run ads, Meta ads, Google ads, and all that. I mean, and not all that give you the ROI for that specific campaign. But now with such tools, it's very easy because it's it's tailor-made for that specific task. And I think I have my prompt ready, so I'll just paste it here. Create for me a professional ad image for a hospital, for the hospital warehouse in Kenya that sells high quality medical supplies and equipment. These are the brand colors. I've not set my brand like Duncan has done. I mean, it's just setting your brand settings here, inputting the colors and all that. But for me, I'll just have it here in the prompt. Then I'll just hit on generate, and let's see what we get here. Give it a few seconds, and let's see what we get here. I think it should be pointing up here, but let's see. Our creative is ready here. Reliable medical supplies at affordable prices delivered to your doorstep across Kenya. It has even given like the call to action here. It's very clear and all that. So for why like such such a tool is very key if you're doing digital marketing. It's because it understands, some of these things that some other tools like ChatGPT won't do. Because if we take the same prompt to ChatGPT, we'll get something totally different, even in terms of the size of the ad creative. For Meta, they prefer a 1:1 ratio for the ad creatives. These are some of the things that ChatGPT won't pick and all that. Again, ChatGPT won't give you the refined copy in terms of copywriting and
Lawrence, I think you can quickly show us what ChatGPT gives us, maybe.
okay. Okay,
exactly.
Okay, so no worries. I confirm you can see my screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Here it's ChatGPT here. I'll paste the same exact prompt here, and let's just see what ChatGPT will give us. We can even go to Gemini. I think. Let's see what ChatGPT will cook here. And remember, it's ChatGPT Premium here. That's what I'm using. So let's see what you have here. I think the first thing I'm noticing, it's the size. It's totally off. I don't know what size it's. What's this size, Joseph? I don't know. We can place this.
Really, I mean, I don't even think even billboards are mostly square, like the ones on the highways. So I don't know why they do that. This length is very high. This normally in very niche positions.
It's a flyer.
Not even a flyer. Oh yeah, flyer probably would make sense.
A physical flyer, physical for printing.
So let's see.
It's source ChatGPT. They have there's a signature ChatGPT design.
Yeah, of course, there's that. You can tell this ChatGPT. I mean, but of course, as I said, it missed on some of the key points for ad creatives. Size is very important. Again, you don't want to go to Canva to resize this creative, or even to Adobe. So these are some of the small issues that Novation is trying to solve. I mean, you don't have to have the design skills to go and again, because going to resize this creative, again, some of the things would probably cut the head of this guy and and all that. But yeah, so try Novation.
We've done Gemini.
Okay. See Gemini here. Here's the same prompt here. Again, it's Pro. So let's see. Nano Banana cooks very fast here, but let's see what.
You're Pro on all those tools. You have a lot of money.
I mean, I don't know. I'm just pissed off with even just it's shouting AI generated image. So again, as I said, it has again missed on the size for an ad. I mean, for maybe you want to run the meta ad and all that. I mean, these are some of the things these other tools are missing on. But for Novation, I mean, it's very straightforward. It's very tailor-made for that specific task. So yeah, go try Novation .ai, and yeah, see you on the other side of the. I think I take it back to you, Joseph.